Hello everyone, I'm Nada Sausanafisa, the narrator for Group 3. Today we are going to show you guys how English sounds from different cities. English can sound a bit different from one place to another, even in the same place. Now let's listen to the difference between Tasik, Garut, Ciamis English.
Alin Mailan Zohari from Tasikmalaya City.
I'm Silma Kamalia from Garut City.
Sulistia Sabila from Ciamis City.
Lazy.
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 Student.
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 Shadow.
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 Summer.
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 Ocean.
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 Now let's talk about the difference. For the word lazy, people from Garut usually make the z sounds clearer and stronger, while in Tasik it sounds softer, and in Ciamis it more relaxed and sometimes a bit like s. Yeah. So that's the difference between Garut English, Tasikmalaya English, and Ciamis English. That's all from us. We're so sorry if there's something wrong in this video. Thanks for the kind attention. Bye.